Hello and welcome back to Plans by Kim. If you are new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner. I'm going to be using this Still Life sticker book, and if you want to see how this one turns out, keep watching. All right, guys, so today I'm going to be bringing in this Still Life nature sticker book along with these 2 sheets of paper. This is kind of a thicker paper, and then I'm possibly going to be bringing in the Mojo Jojo plans. So if you can't tell by the sound of my voice, my sinuses have gotten the better of me, and I don't pretty much have a voice right now today. Sometimes it's here and sometimes it is not. So I'm just taking my Mucinex still and trying to make the best of it. All right, so I'm going to tear some of this paper. I'm just debating on how I want this to sit on here. Because I'm going to layer it, but I want the black on top, because I think that would just look really, really nice together. So here goes nothing. Let's see. Like I said, guys, I am not the best at tearing. All right, guys, I don't know what happened, but at some point when I hit the record button, I accidentally changed the direction of the camera. And yeah, so while I put this spread together, the ceiling was being recorded. And I don't think y'all wanted to see my ceiling, okay? So we lost that footage, but this is where we're at. I just cut out the paper, pasted that on. I know these are going a couple different ways and directions, and I think that's really kind of cool. I found the quote, "Listen to your heart," in the back of this book here that I was using for Still Life. All right, so now I'm actually just finishing up this spread, kind of putting a few things on it, and I was looking for something to put over here. That's what alerted me to the fact that I wasn't even getting anything on film. Okay, so I like this sticker here. It says, "You are worthy." I might just come and put it over here on this side of the page. And I know you can see the little dots behind there, but I'm okay with that. Okay, "You are worthy. Listen to your heart." I almost want to put another quote here, but I think that's going to be too much. I was trying to find some florals that I might have in this color here, but you guys, this is kind of a unique metallic. I didn't go through all my sticker books, but I went through the sticker books that I knew had metallic in them. And it was like either a real deep pinky copper or a real burnished bronzy orange color. So this is almost like a gold matte, and I don't have any gold matte type flowers. I thought if I could find some and bring them in over here, that would look really pretty. So I did not find any of those. I'm looking for maybe some washi tape. That might work, but I don't think this will, because this has polka dots on it, and I really don't know if I like that polka dot. I know I've got these dots, and that's just putting too many elements into one spread. And I don't like that. Where is my Yes, there it is. Okay. I do have this black washi tape, and I kind of got an idea. Let me see if this is going to look halfway decent or if it's like a total no, Kim, don't even go there. But I was kind of wanting to come in over here and just putting something down here to break up the tan. Kind of gives it a little bit of something, doesn't it? Okay, now, also, I had a different idea. Me and my ideas today. And I'm not good at cutting this. I always get one side bigger than the other. And I think it's like going right down the middle, but it usually is not. Oop, and it got it up. Okay. So I made some of these into a thinner. I'm going to cut this because it kind of got a little jagged. But I thought about seeing how this would be to kind of bring it down. I like that. That's really cool. Okay. And then I think I'm going to bring another one over here. There we go. Okay, well that's cool. It's different. Before I bring these boxes in, let me check this out. Okay. This says breathe. I'll bring this in up here. Bring that reflect in. And I'm just going to bring in a few of these little hearts that match, since I don't have anything else that matches this kind of, I don't know, matte gold. I'm gonna call this kind of a matte gold. I put that down there. We will just put that there. Okay, and then probably what I will do, because I really need more boxes on Monday. That one little box is probably not going to cut it. This is going to be a little hard to write on too, but I think I'll just put another box right here. I think I could do that one and it would be okay. And I'm just going to move this little heart up just a tad because I don't want to take that box off again. Well, shoot, I might have to. It's going to tear. Just put that down on top of it. Okay. I got some bullet points from Amber Plans Her Day. We'll bring those in. This is a pretty good match. It's not 100% perfect, but it's a pretty good match. I'm just going to go with it. Otherwise, I'd be putting down all black dots, and I think I need a little bit of color on my paper. I need to move this over to make room for that other dot. I need to move this over to make room for that other bullet point. we'll call that good for those. One other thing I want to do is, if you can see how there's like some black dots and little splotches, I kind of want to come in and do that around my paper a little bit. So I won't go too crazy with it. This is a 12. So that's not even big. Okay. All right, that's a good size. All right, we'll try to do some polka dots around here. Just see how this turns out.
Hey, Lauren. You wanna watch Hangover Part 3?
Oh my gosh, that is looking really kind of cute. I like it. I really like it. Oh. Okay, I just feel like I need some up here. Because I'm going to write in here. So I don't want too many. Okay, that is looking stinking cute. All right, guys. I think I'm going to call this spread done. I think I got the amount of quotes that I want in there. I've got the amount of boxes I want in there. If I need more, I can always add more, but let me know in the comments if you like this type of spread. It's got a little bit of geometric, a little bit of modern. I love it. I love how it turned out, and I hope you guys do too. I just want to say thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate your time, and if you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to see more of my videos, please consider subscribing, and until the next one, bye.